short video clip of our trip here in Aomi camping ground. Dito po to sa may Gujo. So, ito yung Riverside dito na napakalinaw ng tubig. Ayan. May talunan dun sa likod. Anyways, I will just insert lahat ng mga nakita namin dito. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Nung cabin nila, guys, meron silang ihawan. Ayan. Yan, dyan kayo pwede magkwentuhan while ihawing. May porch din sila. Ayan. And then may sarili pa yung sink. Ayan. Hugasan ng plates, ganyan, and everything, kinemarot. This is what it looks like and it's pretty nice. Ayan, 13,000 to 16,000 yen ang isang cabin na ganito, guys. Kasama na dun yung parking ninyo per night. Ayan. Ang check-in nila dito is from 1 PM. Ang check-out nila is 11 AM. Ayan. Ganda dito, guys. Ayan. So, pasok tayo sa ating cabin. So, eto siya. Ang lawak niya, guys. Good for 6 people only ang maximum nila dito. Pero, kasya yung inyong bags dito. Ayan. 5 tatami siya. So, bale, pwedeng 2 tao doon or 3 hanggang 6 kasi may bags pa kayo. And they also have 2 saksakan. Pwede kayo maglagay ng extension sa labas kung magsasain kayo, ganyan. And yung switch ng ilaw sa labas, ito. And yung ilaw dito sa loob, ayan. May walis din. Ganda nito, guys. So, bali, ayan siya. And then, dun sa banda dun, ayan yung kawa, yung Riverside. So, dalawang sides yan actually. Doon sa kabila doon yung mga pambata, pero medyo malakas yung current doon. Pero may 2 silang pools doon. Isa dito sa taas, tapos isa sa baba. Doon medyo malalim. Sa taas, parang may waterfalls na umaagos, tapos pwede mag-swim yung mga bata. Ayan. Dito, guys, camping area nila. Yun, may mga nagliligpit ng tent doon. Ayan. So, 4,000 ang space for rent nila per night. Kung may sarili kayong tent, ayan, meron din silang sink dyan. So, pwede kayo maghugas ng inyong mga plato-plato, ganyan. And, may sarili din kayong ihawan. Ayan, ihawan yan. I will show you guys later yung dun sa kabilang side ng river, yung pinanggalingan namin kanina. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye! So, let's go down to the river. Sanyen a night kung may sarili kayong tent na ganyan. Ito yung cabins na malapit sa river. Tapos, dito yung babaan guys. Ayan na! Ang ganda-ganda ng tubig dyan guys. Sobrang ganda. As in. Dito guys, sobrang linaw ng tubig. Doon yung talunan na area, yan may tao dyan. Oh. Actually, 3 days nang tumatalon yan dyan guys. We stayed here for 3 nights. And lagi ko siyang nakikita dyan. Medyo malakas lang yung current. Doon banda sa side na yon. Yan, medyo malakas lang yung current dyan. But, you can still swim. Doon yung medyo malalim na part, tapos medyo malakas din yung current. Ay, nakalimutan ko sabihin guys, sa cabin ninyo, pwede kayong mag-park right next to your cabin. So, very nice. So, ito yung itsura ng toilet nila, guys. They have a pretty decent toilet naman din. Dito yung for kids and disabled siguro. But they don't have a washlet, so okay na rin. It's pretty clean. They clean it every morning. Ayan. They have 3 cubicles each toilet. Dalawang toilet nila dito, guys. And their sink with the soap. Ayun lang guys. So, sorry for the short video. I just want to share with you our experience and kung saan kayo pwede magpunta dito sa Nakatsugawa in Gifu area pa rin to, no? Gujo area. So, ayun lang guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also comment down below kung kayo ay nakapunta na dito or kung ano yung experiences nyo dito. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell beside it so you get notified on my next uploads. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!
Bye!